Let's boil string beans or Baguio beans. Yesterday, I keep little string beans because I want to cook something. So I will boil first because this is hard. And I have still extra little bit pinakbit with eggplants, but no more eggplants here. So this is already boiled. Now we have to turn off now the flame because I will cook string beans omelette. I use one medium size whole egg, then pinch of black pepper, and then salt, cubes of tomatoes, and onion. So I will mix this one. And already I boiled already this string beans, but I have to uh, fry again this one, but not too much fry. Just I put this one like this. Must be arranged. Ganyan. Now we have to arrange. This is already cooked because I boil first this string beans or Baguio beans. We call it hair palya in Urdu, or in our village here also, pare. Palya also, I think, in Urdu. So we have to mix well first this one. I already changed side. So I will transfer now this one in plate. String beans, egg omelette. Now I will make fried rice. So we'll put now this one. And this is already my string beans, egg omelette. We'll add also soy sauce. So no need to add salt. Because this boiled rice is, I put already salt in this boiled rice. I have extra yesterday because I cooked pinakbet. So that's why I cook white rice. So this is enough. We'll have turn off now the flame. Let's eat altang, means breakfast, lunch together, because time check now in Pakistan is 11:20 a.m. And fried rice, string beans, egg omelette with ketchup. And I have extra yesterday string beans with eggplant, pinakbet, but no more eggplant. So that's it now. Ayan, fried rice. So kain tayo. Bismillah, wala barakatila. Mm. Tapos, ano, sarap ah. Mm. Mm. Done eating my altang breakfast, lunch, but I have still little bit extra, and then also this string beans egg omelette. But pinakbet is finished, and aside from this, for me, I cook for them. This is mungo beans curry. Yeah. And then I will cook also rice for them because no more rice. With also chapati. So this is for lunch and together with dinner. And for me, but I have still this one, but this is not enough. So I will cook rice for dinner, and I will eat also this one for dinner also. Also, I will eat this one if this is not enough. Mungo beans curry. You can eat also chapati or rice, but for me it's rice. But Fatma, she eat also rice with this mungo beans curry, and also my husband and Langga. They eat already also for their lunch with chapati.